Here's how to fix if your iPhone is overheating. Now, if you have a brand new iPhone 16 or even an older iPhone 15, 14, whatever you might have, if you find that it is overheating, I'm going to walk you through a variety of different steps to definitely get that fixed. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. Really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, the first thing we will do is take your phone and take your finger and swipe up and to the right. Now, we want to close out of all of the open apps. Essentially, this uses up more processing speed on your phone and will sometimes cause it to overheat if you have, say, 20 or 50 apps open at one time. The next thing we will do is head into your settings here, and we will scroll down, tap on General, scroll to the very bottom, and hit Shut Down. So essentially, by closing all the apps, shutting your phone down, maybe let it cool down for 5-10 minutes and then restart it. A lot of times this fixes overheating because maybe there's a bug or glitch or an app was just using up a lot of memory or a lot of processing power and speed. And essentially that's bogged down your phone and it started overheating. The next thing you can do if that doesn't necessarily help is we'll tap on Background App Refresh here and tap at the very top, and you might want to turn this off. So if this is turned on, that means all of your apps can run in the background, essentially draining your battery and potentially overheating your phone. Let's go back here. Another thing to turn off is go back all the way to the beginning, and we'll tap on Privacy and Security and Location Services. I would recommend going through this list, and any apps on here with that little arrow indicate that they've used your location recently. You might want to turn off Location Services for a number of different apps. Again, if they're using your location, that can heat up your phone. Now, the next thing that I would recommend doing is going back here to General and Software Update. One of the things I've found, especially if you have an older phone, if you've updated to the latest iOS operating system, especially when they have those big updates like iOS 17 or iOS 18.0, then a lot of times those are memory hogs and processing power hogs. And essentially your phone can't keep up very well and it tends to bog it down. It tends to drain the battery life really quick and it tends to overheat your phone. So on here, what you're going to want to look for is a lot of times it's the worst when you upgrade to like iOS 18 and then they fix a lot of things. So upgrade to iOS 18.1 and basically upgrade to the latest version on your iOS operating system. Essentially, a lot of times this fixes overheating issues, especially on older iPhones. Now, the next thing that I would recommend doing is going back here and let's hop out of here. And what you're going to do is you're going to take the case off of your phone here and make sure that the case is not causing issues and that your phone isn't set somewhere. Maybe if it's set on a dash on basically a hot car or it's set outside somewhere in direct sunlight, that can cause your phone to overheat and cause issues with the battery life. It might drain the battery or it just might pop up with that warning saying it's overheated. It needs to cool down before you can use it any further. Now, if you go through this entire process and it's still not working, you've shut it down, you've turned off all these apps and background app refresh. At this point, if your phone is still overheating, there could be a bug or a glitch in your phone itself. So you might want to take it into an Apple store, have them plug it in and run some diagnostics to see at this point, does it need to be replaced? Is there an issue with your battery? Is there an issue with your screen or anything like that? Or maybe your entire phone just needs to be factory reset back to default or just replaced, and Apple will be able to help you figure out all that stuff. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks, guys.